Hi, good day. My name is Kenneth Y. Oliero, and I am 23 years old from Banisilan, North Cotabato, Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Physical Education at Central Mindanao University with Latin honor. I am certified physical education instructor, passionate about fitness, sports, and organizing events. My key skills are group fitness instructions, sports coaching, crowd management, and clear communication with all age groups. I specialize in creating fun, safe, and inclusive activities for beginners. During my physical education instructor days, I also work as a program head committee during our culminating activities. I led and coordinated sports and recreational events. I was responsible for planning the program flow, managing university wide physical education activities, and ensuring safety protocols were followed. I worked as a physical education instructor for a one full school year at Liceo de Cagayan University. My responsibilities included teaching PE classes, conducting daily warm-ups, coaching sports, and organizing events, catering every student's concern, accompanied by always having safety measures at all times. I am a licensed professional teacher, holds a advanced cardiovascular life support certificate, Philippine Aquatic Safety Society Refresher Course Certificate, and a Program Flow Head Committee Certificate. Safety is my top priority, and my CPR training ensures I can respond quickly in emergency situations on board. My unique strengths are leadership, patience, and teamwork. As a program head committee, I learn how to lead a team under pressure while keeping everyone motivated and safe. I am disciplined, teachable, and I work well with multinational crews. My goal is to provide excellent service and make every guest experience safe, enjoyable, and experience that I will truly contribute to the team. Thank you for watching my video and for considering my application through Magsaysay Careers. My goal is to contribute to the recreation team and help guests live healthier while at sea. I am ready to follow instructions, work hard, and uphold the high standards of both Magsaysay and your partner cruise line. I look forward to the opportunity for an interview. Thank you, God bless, and have a great day.